This is number 5, Inter-city Stomp. So your left hand starts on G, that is 2 Gs below middle C. Your right hand is on the D above middle C, and we have got some black notes, so 3's on B flat here, and you're going to have 3 on E flat later on. I'm going to explain the counting of the rests. 6. Right chord, that's G, C and F. Then left chord, D, G, C. The timing for that last bit is you hold your right hand chord for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Left for 4. 1, 2,